In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new shop dashboard on Whop, a versatile platform for managing your online business needs. Whether you're opening a new online store or just need a more organized space to manage existing operations, setting up your dashboard is a crucial first step. I'm here to guide you through this process, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. First, let's begin by heading over to the Whop website. Opening up this site is your gateway to a suite of tools designed specifically to make your business operations smoother. Once you're there, you'll want to focus your attention on navigating to the dashboard section. This is home base for your new shop, and from here, everything will become more streamlined. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see an option labeled New Whop. Click on this to begin the creation of your new dashboard, a space tailored to meet your specific needs. This section allows you to add new features, manage orders, track performance, and much more, all from one central location. Once you've clicked on New Whop, your next action is to create a new dashboard. This tool functions as your virtual storefront, offering everything you require to run your shop efficiently and effectively. Opting to create new dashboard is a step toward better organization and enhanced functionality, helping you manage all aspects of your shop in one place. You'll see a Continue button. Click on this to proceed. This action takes you further along in the process, ensuring that all components of your new dashboard are seamlessly integrated. Whop's intuitive design means each click brings you one step closer to full setup. Now it's time to type the name of your shop. This is an essential part of your setup as it personalizes and identifies your space within the platform. Choose a name that embodies your brand, something catchy yet descriptive, like Example. The name you choose is how both you and your customers will recognize your shop within the larger Whop ecosystem. After you're satisfied with your shop name, click on Continue again. This action confirms your choices and solidifies your shop's presence on Whop. Just like that, you've created a new dashboard, setting the stage for you to add products, manage customer interactions, and track your business's growth with ease. Remember, setting up your dashboard is just the beginning. As you grow familiar with Whop, you'll discover a range of features and capabilities designed to help your business flourish. Whether you're new to online selling or a seasoned expert, Whop provides the infrastructure needed to help your shop succeed. That's it for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Check back for more tips on making the most out of your Whop experience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!